Start.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn 28 states of India.
A,
Andhra Pradesh,
A,
Arunachal Pradesh,
A,
Assam,
B,
Bihar,
C,
Chhattisgarh,
G,
Gujarat,
G,
Goa,
H,
Haryana,
H,
Himachal Pradesh,
J,
Jharkhand,
K,
Kerala,
K,
Karnataka,
M,
Madhya Pradesh,
M,
Manipur,
M,
Meghalaya,
M,
Maharashtra,
M,
Mizoram,
N,
Nagaland,
O,
Odisha,
P,
Punjab,
R,
Rajasthan,
S,
Sikkim,
T,
Tamil Nadu,
T,
Telangana,
T,
Tripura,
U,
Uttar Pradesh,
U,
Uttarakhand,
W.
West Bengal. Thank you.
Clap.